How to see Google search history. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to see Google search history. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to see only your Google search history, then go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for myactivity.google.com. You will then be led to the interface of My Google Activity web page. In here, go ahead and tap on the Web and Activity option. You will be led to Activity Controls now. Scroll down and tap on the Manage All Web and App Activity option. In the interface that you will now be led to, you will be able to see all your search history. But if you want to see the search history for Google search specifically, then tap on the Filter by Date and Product option. And now scroll down and find the Search option and select the Search checkbox and further tap on the Apply button, and with this, you will be able to view only your Google search history. So this is how you can see Google search history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.